Programming. A proper lady's architectural toolkit. Things change with every new invention, because each new power has its own strengths and weaknesses. Today, with the rise of programming artificial intelligence agents, the multi-user dungeon is a powerful architectural choice. Let us place artificial intelligence first for once. Note how text-based virtual worlds with strong rules and state machines are a perfect fit for a thinking machine that uses text for its thoughts, creations, plans, instincts, and memories. If text worlds and text-based AI are not a perfect fit, then it is about as close of a fit as you will ever get. And now let us turn to you and your first gnarly programming project, so that you can see how multi-user dungeons, think multi-user text adventure games, help you see and almost cybernetically integrate your mind with your project. We are great navigators in the real world or the virtual one. The first useful thing that we all try to do with computers is automation. Trying to automate some frequently confusing process. And that invariably demands asking the user some initial questions and routing them to another set of questions based on their initial answer. Where do you even start? With a really well thought out form? Maybe a proper business process management application? Or a homemade solution? For example, based on a wiki that instead of showing articles, prints input forms. Alas, before you know it, you will start asking about where to save the data. How do we pre-populate the already answered questions? And then, unfortunately, you will discover that you are adding more and more concepts, layers, mnemonics, leaky abstractions, and ifs and buts. But if you base your world on a minimal possible virtual world, where you are sent through a set of departments or offices, that each, upon entry, asks you to fill out forms that you then carry with you in your avatar inventory, you discover that not only are you not adding tangled up ideas and leaking abstractions, but you can also perfectly visualize and predict how multi-user aspects work. How forms can be filed to special offices or departments. How you can put an AI worker in a room to check for data validity and give them an input box and an output box, perhaps a queue. You can even help an AI agent learn with a process as simple as keeping notes, perhaps in their own pocket. You can now modify the filing process by simply injecting a new office where there was once a simple door. The multi-user dungeon or multi-user text adventure is not only perfectly compatible with today's artificial intelligence agents, but it also enhances your imagination and your reasoning ability. Ask your favorite AI to create a little multi-user dungeon for you. It is tradition to test mods with a mini game called Twisty Little Passages, But perhaps in this bright new age, tell your AI to come along with you on your adventure, and log in as several characters that will teach you the beauty and power of mud, in an adventure game worthy of a dame in a world of strange mystery.